I am in America. Can you say America? I just want to say hi to you. I want to meet you. Gusto ko kayo makilala. Sa America, teacher ako. Can you say hi, Teacher Candice? Meron akong itatanong sa inyo, ha? Question ko sa inyo, sino ang gustong pumunta sa school? Who likes to go to school? Raise your hand. If gusto niyo pumunta sa school, raise your hand. Anong gusto niyo gawin sa school? Reading books? Wow! Anong grade ka na? Anong grade ka na sa school?
Grade 7.
Grade 7 ka na? Wow! Big! And how old are you? How old are you? Wow! Ngayon, meron ka do you have friends in school? May mga friend. Anong pangalan ng good friend mo? Anong name ng good friend mo? Wow! Tapos, anong gusto mong ginagawa with your friends? Gusto niyo nagba-basketball kayo, nagre-read kayo? Anong gusto mong gawin with your friends? You like to play? Well, thank you. Who else? You go to school. Hi, sweetie. If you go to school, anong kailangan mo sa school? You need books. Ano pa? Ano? Pakiulit? Pencils! Yay! Ano pa? So, you need books, you need pencils. Ano pa? What else do you need sa school? Yes. Alright, can you say backpack? Yeah. Who wants a backpack to school? 5, 6. Yay! Mga tao, alam nyo ba? Hi, alam nyo? Yung mga people from all over the world, nakikita kayo ngayon. Sino gustong magsabing, can I please have a new backpack? No, what about uniform? Kailangan mo ng uniform? Yeah? Yeah. So, hihingi tayo ng tulong, ha? Hingi tayo ng help sa mga tao para bago yung mga uniform natin, yung shoes natin. Okay? Alright? Sabihin natin na, please help. Pwede mo sabihin, please help. Yeah? Alright. Yeah. Yes, thank you. So, tapos lahat tayo may bagong backpack, meron tayong shoes. Thank you. What about haircut? Sinong gusto ng haircut? Sinong gusto ng bagong haircut bago magpunta sa school? Yeah, you too? So sana tulungan tayo ng mga tao from all over the world. Alright, well, I just wanna say thank you. Sana makapunta ako sa Bacolod, sa Philippines para ma-visit ko kayo, ha? Alright, sana ma-visit ko kayo. Alright, say bye-bye, Teacher Candice. Alright, be good boys and be good girls kayo, okay? Don't forget to pray, okay? Mwah! Can I get flying kiss? Mwah! Alright, bye everyone. Thank you so much.